Hey everybody, this is Vinny with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, home of some really cool Excel tools for you and your business. Today I want to go over a very interesting tool that we've kind of built for a while, and I just want to demo it for you, which is a tool that allows you to find the closest locations for a list of customers in Google Maps of your list of stores. So let me kind of show you how it works. Like all of our tools, it's built in Excel. There's nothing to install, and you can download it again, obviously, in the link in the description, via the link in the description. So the problem we're trying to solve right now is to match a list of customers with a list of our stores or different locations that we have where we can provide a certain service. So in this case, we have about 5 stores in different places, and I'm trying to find the closest customer to each one of these stores. In this example, we only have about 5 stores, but obviously this works amazingly well if you were to have a few dozen or maybe even a few hundred stores, and also a large list of clients. That will save you a lot of time and money. So in the stores tab, we manage our stores. We don't have to worry about the latitude and longitude. The tool will generate those for you, but you would enter store name and the store address. This can be a full address, or it can be a zip code or a city in this case. Once we do that, we enter our list of customers. We have our customer name and the customer address. Now, the customer address, it is required. Customer name is not, but it's nice to have, so we can have a customer name to match to our store. Once we do that, again, kind of going back one step, this tool does use Google Maps API, so we have to make sure that we have Google Maps API key. I do have a video on how to set that up, and you're welcome to kind of click on the video on the card there to learn how to set up your Google Maps API key. It's extremely easy, it takes a couple of minutes to do. Once we do that, all we got to do is click on calculate, and the tool will do this for us. It will find the closest location or the closest store for every one of the customers to our list of stores, and obviously we'll bring in their location address, and also the distance, driving distance, and the straight line distance. In addition, will give us the driving time in hours and minutes. And really, it should be as easy as that, and I can do that every time I get a new list of customers, and that way I can assign, or I can match each customer to the closest store. Thank you again for watching. My phone number and my email will be in the description. Also, we have a large list of a lot of our tools here. Kind of going back a little bit, my goal is to build, been doing it for about 14-15 years, to build very useful tools that help business owners to run their business, run different aspects of their business. If there's a tool that you need or something that you feel will make your life quite a bit easier, feel free to reach out. My name is Vinny. My name, my email, and my phone number will be in the description. Thank you again for watching, and until next time.